how to make your photo speak using two AI tools. Just
There, I'm
ChatGPT
excited to
and
teach
Grok.
you how to use AI
You can
tools to
choose
create
to use
amazing content that can
Gemini
sell.
or Cloud
Follow
in
me.
place of ChatGPT or whichever. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's go. Don't forget, click on the plus sign to follow me. Share to 5 persons. So you just need two apps to achieve this purpose. You need ChatGPT or Grok. So we're starting with the first one, ChatGPT. So while you're on your ChatGPT, the first thing you're going to do, I usually interact with my ChatGPT using voice, but you can paste your prompt. So the first thing you want to do is you click on the plus sign, you bring in the picture you want to use. I can show you also how you can. Let's assume I want to use this picture. Let me use this picture. I'll just attach it. Then I could tell ChatGPT how I want the picture to look like. So I'm going to use voice. I'll say, hi ChatGPT, good morning. How are you doing today? So please, I want to create a baby picture of me teaching something where I'm going to have a microphone, like a studio setting of me in my baby form, where I will need to teach someone something. So I need a baby picture of me in a studio with all the settings. Please make it very clear, bright. Okay, thank you. So you see, that is actually how I communicate with ChatGPT. You can see what I wrote. Hi ChatGPT, good morning, and that. So I communicate with ChatGPT using my voice. I feel like when I communicate, I'm able to express myself to ChatGPT. So give it some time. It is generating it. Voila! Can you see that this is lovely? So the next thing I want to do is I want to save this picture to my gallery. So the next thing I want to go to is Grok. I already downloaded it. If you don't have Grok on your phone, please kindly go to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store and download. Because I already have it, I'll kindly open my Grok. Then I'll go to Imagine at the upper right hand side. Then I'll click on this photo icon to add my picture. So I'm going to add the picture I want to convert to talking. I will just kindly bring in the picture I have downloaded, and that is it. So now I could now add the prompt of what I want the picture to say. So I just pasted the prompt. The next thing I want to do is wait for it to generate. Can you see that? So I'm just going to unmute it so you could hear it speak.
Content that can sell. Follow me. There, I'm excited to teach you how to use AI tools to create amazing content that can sell.